Hi everybody, it's Mike Smith from Hawkeye Traders Options Specialist. Delighted that you could join us for this daily trading tip. With the S&P 500 failing really to hold 1945, about a percent pullback last session, and we're wondering whether it may be time to look once again at defensive stocks. The utilities sector come within that category, and XLU is the ETF which tracks utilities, and we've got our three time frames of daily, 2-day and weekly up in front of you. Let's just have a look at what Hawkeye is telling us. Well, you can see for yourself quite clearly we've got some resistance there at just under 47, around about 46.80. We've tested 47 once on that bar. That will really be the breakout point of that. You'll see after a pullback, we move back into uptrend on the daily chart with buying volume in over the last three bars. 2-day confirms this. Again, you can see that quite clearly. Again, that line in the sand that XLU has failed to break through. And really one of the reasons for that is we've got to go all the way back, if we look on the weekly chart, to Feb 2015 before it was at this level. If we do see a break of 47, then we could be up around $50, which is our next real pivot high on the weekly, in a pretty short space of time, we suspect, even though that's 7% plus away. So there are two ways we would look to potentially trade this, either with a straight long call position with expiry of a couple of months, or perhaps even a bull call spread at, say, $48, $49 with a slightly longer term to expiry. Bear in mind, of course, that even though it's an ETF, there are ex-dividend dates associated with XLU, so make sure you check those out before you consider this as a potential trade yourself. I trust that's useful, and that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.